Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of translate button not showing on the application of Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. We search for Netflix and then we'll update your app as you see here. So that's it. Don't forget to press bell icon,